Today we're going to be going over a Pop Katana snap hyper and why it's good to know for this curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into level 2.7, which is a continuation of level 2.6. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your cheat katana snap hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So this move is basically a cheat katana snap hyper, but we're doing a pop takeoff instead of a cheat before the kick. And that's just to get used to the feeling of doing a pop and a katana snap hyper together in one trick. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking at your target. You're going to jump off both feet at the same time, throwing your pop takeoff, land back down, bring your swing leg up, throwing your inside crescent, hop around 180 degrees, landing with both legs at the same time, and a backside stance. And the only variation that we can do for this is a spin, so no follow through or no spin follow through. As for tips, when you come back down after your pop, just make sure your legs are apart a little bit so you can actually get that inside crescent up. And as for progressions, you want to make sure that you have your Pop Katana false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.